Hey, what's up everybody? It's me, MsEbonyVee. Welcome back or to my channel. If this is your first time here, please do consider hitting that subscribe button as well as that notification bell so you don't miss any other videos from me. And if you're returning, hey Shug Muffin. Alright y'all, so let's get into this install. Now as you can see, I have already done my foundation because I have done so many of these videos showing you the braiding pattern and all of that and how to do it. So if that's something you want to see, I will link those videos down below so that you can check it out. I actually started my channel doing a ton of crochet styles and it just kind of shifted into wigs. So I also have a playlist of other crochet styles that I've done in the past. Feel free to check out that playlist as well as any previous videos that are similar to this. Alright, so as you can see, this is my foundation. I'm doing the illusion braid method where I have the individual braids in the front connected to one another. And they're just connected and then going back into some cornrows in the back. And I even did the individual braids along the perimeter because I like to do a lot of updos, so I just want, you know, it to look as natural as possible when I'm doing that. Now, I only have one braid hanging. Everything is connected. There's no other hangout but this. Sometimes I crochet this through my braids, but I prefer to sew it down because I am infamous for cutting off a braid. I have done that so many times and it is the worst feeling ever to cut off your braids when you are trying to remove your crochet hair. You're cutting out crochet hair and you accidentally cut your braid. I have done that. It's awful. So I started sewing down my tail. So I got a little piece of needle and thread. I'm just going to sew this down real quick like that. I am in a serious hurry, just so you know. I got a flight to catch, y'all. Alright, so I got my little needle and thread. This is a thinner braid, but I'm going to attach it to this braid inside. And this is just me really feeling my way. For the first hook, I do like to go inside the thread. I can't grab anything. There we go. That is feeling pretty secure to me. I'm going to go ahead and cut this off and knot it on up. And I just tie several knots to make sure that it stays. I'm not going for perfection here, you guys. Nobody's going to see this. I just want to make sure my braid is secure so I don't cut it off. There we go. Alright, done and done. So before I start, I'm going to go ahead and lather my scalp up. I usually use my Jamaican black castor oil, but you know, I'm on this little hair growth journey, so I'm going to use this My Rosemary Mint Scalp and Hair Strengthening Oil. I used to use this all the time, so I just locked eyes with it and decided to grab it, really. So I'm just going to go through all my little parting spaces. Actually, let me just go through the long ones first. Massage that through a little bit, make sure we're all over the scalp. Alright, and done. Let's move on to the hair. So this hair was sent to me from a company on Amazon. I do not remember the name right now, and I'm rushing and I don't feel like going to look. So I will definitely leave it on the screen here. And I will leave all of the information down in the description box below if it's something you're interested in. Check it out. So within this one pack, whoa, you do get a crochet needle with some little accessories that I won't be using. And you get 6 of these individual packs. So let's go ahead and open one. I had every intention on taking this hair out in advance and cleaning it, but I just never made it there. And to clean it, all you do have to do is to soak it in some like apple cider vinegar and just let it air dry and before you install it. That just helps reduce any kind of additional itching. All right, so this is one of the packs. It looks like it's what, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, I can't see, 12, 14, 15, about 15 passion twists on one loop. So I'm gonna go ahead and open at least 2 packs of these for now and go ahead and get started. Now I'm not gonna show you every single crochet install, but just in case someone does not know, I will show you how easy it is. All right, so let's do this. I got my first crochet. I usually try to put my finger in this little loop so that I can easily grab it. I'm gonna take this crochet needle that they sent and let me get up close and personal. I'm gonna go downward on my braid square, hook the hair on, close the needle, pull it through. Now you can either take the needle out, reopen it. Oh goodness. Yeah, reopen it and just grab the hair through. Or you can do it, what I like to call the lazy method, and feed it through with the needle, whichever you prefer. So now I'm feeding it back through the needle, grabbing it and pulling it through that way. That is another way to do it. I feel like once you let it go and try to reopen that loop, that gets annoying. It really does. So I'm gonna stop talking now and just let you watch the process for a little bit. All right, y'all, so I have finished the front and that took all of 15 minutes. So just wanted to show you, and now I'm gonna go ahead and mosey on to the back and the perimeter, and I'll be back. Go ahead and tie these up because they in my way. much the end result here. I did want to show y'all something I've been using lately. And you know, it's probably ain't nothing new, but it's something that's been working for me. I don't think I have what you consider to be like full edges. Like I feel like I always have like a lot of spaces and gappage when I do my edges. So I've been using this, what is it? Kiss Edge Fixer Max Hold Natural Black. And it's just like this, is very black and it can get very messy. So you just have to be careful and use it sparingly, but it does work, y'all. Like, look at this, it's a mess. And I just put a little bit where I may have laid my edges. Just a little bit. A little goes a long way. Just a pinch. Just to make them look or appear fuller than they are. I can't get my finger in there. There we go. There we go. And then just go back to my, and once you brush it, it'll just kind of like bleed right into the rest of the edges. Yeah, so it just to me makes it look or appear fuller than they are. And that's kind of been like a little saving grace for me because I don't think mine are that full looking. I feel like I can use a little bit more on this one. See how I just filled it right in? So just a little trick, just in case someone doesn't have full edges like myself. I have very fine hair to begin with, so yeah. Anywho, this is the final look, which I am quite pleased with. It did not take that long, probably a 20 to, well, about 30 minutes. It looks pretty full. It's very long. And I am just loving this. I can rock it as a middle, rock it as a side, and it looks like I have individual crochet braids. Love that. And of course I can do some up styles, so I love how springy they feel. They're super springy. So when I'm walking, I can feel me bouncing. I kind of like that. All right, so let me know what you guys think about this hair. I don't even know if I told you the color, and I don't know right now, so I probably put it on the screen already. But yeah, I'm feeling this. What y'all think? Again, I feel like I have done a ton of these videos. So it's like, here's another one, but I usually only put crochet in my hair when I'm going out of town. And that's what I'm about to do. So they'll be in for probably less than a week. I don't keep them in long. I have hair commitment issues. So these are coming out as soon as I get back. I know y'all like, but where I go through all that? Because I'm going out of town and I don't want to do my hair. That's why I don't have to worry about legging no wig. I always do crochet when I'm out of town. Well, that's all I got. I thank you all so much for watching. I truly appreciate it. If you have made it this far in the video, go ahead and leave me a little yellow heart right here down in the comments below so that I know you made it to the end. And I truly appreciate you for that. If you're not already, go ahead and follow me on Instagram at MsEbonyVee. I thank you all so much for watching. I truly appreciate it. I'll be sure to catch you beautiful people in the next video.